Hello, William, this is for you. I'm recording this especially for you. Alright, I'm going to try to log in as you and look over your site so you can see what you're supposed to be doing so we can get going right away. Alright, so first we're going to go to our Volusia County website. We're going to go click on the portal. And when that slowly comes up, we're going to type in your credentials because mine are already saved there. So NWEI, then we're going to put your date of birth. Such a young man you are. Alright, and then we're going to sign in. Okay, after we're there, we're going to Volusia Virtual. Okay, and while we are there, it's going to say William up here. There we go. And here are your courses. And we are going to do your English 2 semester 2. Alright, so here's your course. There's your information. Now, I docked this for you earlier. Let me show you what I mean when I say dock. If there's something over here on this side that you would like to always have accessible to you on the side, then you dock it. So let us scroll down to administration, and we're going to dock that. Now that means you can always look at your grades and all that kind of stuff, and it'll always be over there on the side. So just a little hint from me to you. Alright, there's your welcome letter, which pretty much gives you the same information I'm giving you now. You should have completed your first assignment by now. If you have not, you need to finish that immediately. This information, I want you to practice reading the directions. Sometimes students want things to kind of jump out at them. We're all like that. But no, read the instructions. I give you a tutorial on how to create a TAC. A TAC is something that it's like better than a PowerPoint, much better than a PowerPoint. But you can use any number of ways to submit assignments in my class, but a TAC is one of them. This is also a way for you to practice submitting assignments. So read the instructions. I'm just going to let you do that. Then we're going to click back into English 2 semester 2. Alright, in this semester, this tool folder also has so much information, a bunch of videos there to help you navigate your course. Here's your pacing guide. Check it out. If you follow it exactly, you'll be finished on time. Otherwise, I have students who are just knocking this out like it's nothing. You have 2 separate units and a novel for this semester. So let's go to your first unit, which all of this information gives you the objectives and things that you're going to cover for the entire unit. Then you have lessons, 3.1, 3.2, and I have little ways for you to see when you've reached certain milestones in the course. So after you get there, you'll be 25% completed with the course. After Macbeth, you'll be 50, so you'll get there. Alright, so let's go to 3.1. We're going to click, if you follow things in order, everything's going to be very easily explained to you. So you're going to click on why we read Shakespeare. That is the first article that you're going to read. You're going to click on that, read. It tells you everything you need to know. Then you're going to click on the textbook. Now, the first time you log into the textbook, it's going to say that you aren't logged in. Now, at the very beginning of your site, you had credentials, and they were emailed to you as well, and they're on the welcome letter of how to log into your textbook. Do not use ABCD. You're going to replace ABCD with your alpha at vcs2go.net and then your date of birth. So let's try that again. After you do it once or twice, it should set it as a default, especially if you're using the same computer. So I'm clicking on that again. It's telling me that I can't log in. So there I'm going to use your information. So that's alpha 1 NWEI at vcs2go.net, and then your birthday. And you're there. Now, it's going to take you to, I see you haven't been on here yet because it takes you through all of that stuff. Now, what you're going to do now is since this is the first time it's logging into the textbook, you're going to click back on the story, click on it again, and it will take you directly to the story that you're reading. So you're going to read the information, but don't just go through and read and then answer the questions at the end. In many cases, that's not going to be the assignment that's given to you. So after you've read it, you've done what it told you to do, then you're going to click back into the unit. And you're going to do the next thing, which most of the stories have a think about it, chat about it, which is a way for you to interact with your classmates, and then different assignments. That's it. There's nothing more to it. I just signed in as your textbook. I signed in as your regular book, so there's your proof. You are able to log in. Just follow the instructions.